Loop Investing app. The pros, the cons. Loop Investing is a platform designed to help you invest seamlessly, but does it stand out in a crowded market? Starting with the pros. First, automated investing. Loop allows you to set up recurring contributions and automatically invest them according to your risk profile. Second, social features. You can see what peers are investing in, which may help spark ideas or learn from others. Third, low minimum investment. You don't need a large sum to get started, making it accessible for new investors. Now, the cons. One limitation is limited analytical tools. Advanced investors may miss deep market insights or customizable reports. Another drawback is dependency on automation. While convenient, fully automated investing may not account for sudden market shifts or personal financial changes. The surprising truth: most people delay investing because it feels complex. Loop Investing proves that starting small with automation can still build meaningful wealth over time. In conclusion, the pros: automation, social insight, and low entry make Loop ideal for beginners and casual investors. The cons: limited analytics and automation reliance suggest that more experienced traders may need complementary tools.